Alrighty guys, we're going to up the difficulty just a little bit, and I'm going to teach you how to group multiple shapes together so you have one complete shape together. So let me delete all my previous stuff and we will get started. Alrighty, so to do this, I'm going to teach you how to make a donut. So we have our green cylinder here. Right now it is a whole shape by itself. So what we're going to do is I'm going to insert another cylinder. I'm going to make it about the same height. Let's see, how tall is this one? This one is 7 millimeters tall. So I'm going to make this one 7 millimeters tall. And this one is about 25 by 25 wide. So I'm going to make this one about 20 by 20 wide. I feel like that'll give us a good donut shape. Or just type it because that's easier. Alrighty. So right now, these are both solid shapes. Now, if you go over to your shape box, there's an option called hole. I'm going to turn my orange cylinder into a hole. This means that it is now occupying negative space. If I try to send this orange cylinder to the printer, it wouldn't print anything because it's registering as no space. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cylinder and I'm going to put it into my other cylinder, just like this. And now I have made this awkward looking green donut. That is what it looks like. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Control A on my keyboard, and that selects both of my shapes. And I'm going to click this thing up here that says group, or you can do it by pressing Control G on your iPad. So I'm going to press Control G. So now these two shapes have been grouped together. The software now thinks that these are one shape. It's no longer two shapes, it's one shape because we have officially grouped them together. Now if I want to undo what I just did, I would just simply click Control A again, and I would go up to this thing, and I would simply click Control G or click that again, and it will ungroup my shape. Just like that. So you can change it again later if you want to. Now, the reason you do this is because if you are trying to print something, let me group them again. So if you're trying to print something that consists of multiple shapes all at the same time, you have to group them all together before it will export correctly to go to the printer. So this is exactly how you do that.